Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to switch between the glassy and the solid color lock screen clock style on this device. So simply go to the lock screen. So on the lock screen you can see this is a glassy clock style. So let me show you how to switch between the glassy and the solid color lock screen clock style. First of all, we need to customize our lock screen. Tap on customize. Now tap on the clock, and at the bottom you can see two options, glass and solid. Now this is glass. If you want to switch to solid, then select the option solid. Now you can see this is a solid clock style. If you want to switch to the glass, then select this one. So simply in this way we can switch between the glassy and the solid color lock screen clock style on this device. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.